In this e-learning, I'm going to create my second customer list. First of all, I want to go back and create my first content. What is going to happen here? Let me change first how to display. I'm going to say that the display I want instead, I'm going to leave this balance. I'm going to start a new one. I'm going to call general list settings. So I'm changing the displays here. And I'm gonna, that's me. I prefer to start with the customer. I like to have the sort ID. Then I'm gonna have the business name, or maybe not. Maybe I'm gonna start putting the phone number and email address, main email address. And I personally like to take a look at the balance always, so I'm going to leave that. And I'm going to sort the list by the sort ID. I'm going to save that. So now I have more columns. I don't need this to be this large. I'm going to make this a little bit not so wide. This one here can be wider, so I can use this space measuring by this size. So I'm now good. So it's sorted by sort ID, which is good. So now I'm going to create, let me take a look here. I want to show you that in WISE option we have what we call tags. And in the tags, you can assign tags. For example, you can create the tags. For you to create the tags, you just click on here, and you can, on this list, you can change or add new tags, put colors. We're going to have a lesson only for that. But then the idea here, I'm going to create one for large account. So I'm going to assign the tag large account to this account. And I'm going to put the tag for large account on this account here as well. Oops, I don't want to deactivate label. I want just to activate. All right, so I have, as you can see. And now I'm going to create my list that has only accounts with that tag. So I'm going to go to my queries. I'm going to create a new query. I'm going to call this, I'm going to say based on tag. I'm going to say large accounts. It could be anything that you want. I'm going to put in my favorite drop-down list box. It could be like, you can create tags for collections, aged, inactive. You can create whatever you want. I highlight my query, and I'm going to start saying, well, I want to see only, you know, customers that have the tag, customer tag equals, and I find my tag here, large account, save, search. So now these are, if I go to the first, you're going to see the tag, tagged, tagged, and so on. So if I pick any one of this, and I highlight tags, and I uncheck and save. So I used to have 6, as you can see here on top. I used to have 6, and now that I remove for this one, I'm going to refresh the list, and now I only have 5. So today you've learned how to create your second list by using tags, so you can manage your customer list. And by the way, the same theory, the same concept is used for the patient files as well. So you can go to the patient file, create your lists, and using tags or the parameters, the variables for the animal, the patient list as well. Thanks for watching.